How you can make money on YouTube with AI influencers for tutorial. Imagine scrolling through your social media and stumbling upon an influencer who never sleeps, never eats, and never gets tired of creating content. You can find this one. As you can see, this is an AI character, so it's explaining specific topics, so it's kind of video guides. And this one also has over 300k followers, and it's powered by AI. It's an AI influencer, and that means it doesn't exist, and even that is followed by real people. As you can see here, we have a lot of likes, comments, so you can create yours too. You can have an AI influencer and earn money with it. So dive into the world of AI influencers where virtual personalities are redefining the rules of social media marketing and raking in cash like never before. This is the power of AI influencers. You don't have to do this to show your face. You don't have to do the voiceover. You don't have even to write the script. And a lot of influencers earns millions of dollars. In this video, I'll show you how to create one and how to earn money with it. So first step you need to start your video on YouTube using AI influencer is creating your AI character. But don't worry, you don't have to create it because here we have Hygiene. It's an AI based tool that can be used to generate AI characters. So all you have to do is open your web browser and type hygiene.com. As you can see, we have here two options to get started, so you can choose the one you want and then you're gonna sign up and you can enter your email, your verification code, and you will answer for a few questions. Then you're gonna sign up and it will lead you to the home page. Before getting to the home page, let's see what we have here. Here we have use cases. So as you can see, we have product overview, scale, outreach, learning and development. For the features, we have AI avatar, AI voices, video translate, personalized videos, streaming avatar, zipper, resources. We have here blog, creator fan, affiliate program, ambassador program, weekly webinar, case studies, help center, company. We have here about us, safety and ethics, careers, pricing. So we have here a lot of things that can help you to read more about the website and have information and more understand it. So if we more scroll down over here, you'll find an AI character explaining a specific topic, and this is the script. So this AI character is introducing the website. If we more scroll down, you'll find product marketing, various topics. So this AI character, for example, explaining product marketing, sales outreach, learning and development, content marketing. So various AI character explaining different topics. And here we have the AI avatar, so you can choose the one you want. As you can see here, we have a various AI avatar. So you can get started by clicking on get started as I mentioned, and follow the steps that I mentioned, and then it will lead you to the home page. So this is the home page. So here we have my recent creation, as you can see. So you can find a various recent creation because I already have account here. And if we scroll down over here, you'll find hygiene learning guide. So you can find here videos that can help you to more understand. If you find some difficulties, for example how AI Studio works, you can click over here. The same thing for video avatar, AI voice, video translation. If we scroll down over here, you'll find templates, so you can find various templates with the various topics, various AI character. As you can see here, we have this one explaining something, so you can find here um the AI character introduce the specific topic, so you can choose the one you want. If you want to start with template, if you wanna choose an avatar and create your own video, you can go to video avatar, and then you can go to studio avatar, as you can see, and you can find the various ones, so you can choose the one you want, and then you're gonna start. So let's for example choose Kent in hoodie. So here we have three dots. You can choose which one you want. If you want to edit avatar, get avatar ID, and this one if you want to create video with this avatar, so you can click on the landscape, not portrait, because you wanna start on YouTube. Here we have a lot of options, as you can see, so you can choose another AI character if you didn't like this one. So you can put it on the left, you can put it on the right. You can also determine the size of your AI character, and you can edit animation to effect on enter, added effect on leave, and there's just other options that you can choose. And if you wanna delete your this script, you can add it yours, and if you wanna add it another script, you can add it you can edit it by clicking on plus icon. You can also edit post section if you want between these two scripts, so you can make it 3 second maybe plus. And also if you want to add a recording, you can click here to start, and if you want to upload audio, you can too. And if you find some difficulties on writing script, you can just click over here and type your topic, and GPT script writer will help you to create one. And if you want to translate the script too, you can, so by clicking or selecting the language you want, and then you click on apply. So we have also here the voices, so if you can find here a lot of natural a lot of type of voices. Here we have natural voice, explainer, ads, audiobooks, e-learning, narration, games. You can find also the languages, so there's here various languages, and you can here find the gender, male or female, the age too, so you can choose the age you want. Here we have child, youth, middle age, older, the function, so we can adjust your voice, and the function is depend on how you want it. So here we have a lot of options, and if you find or if you have finished editing, you can just click on submit, and then you can or your video will be ready to put it on your YouTube channel. So there's a various way you can just earn money with it using this AI influencer or using this video. You can start as an affiliate marketing through platforms like impact.com. Affiliates offers affiliates flexibility in terms of how they promote products or services, allowing them to work independently. So by promoting products or services through affiliate partnerships, affiliates can earn commissions on sale generated through the referral links, or you can create a video guide using an AI influencer. Can be an engaging and innovative way to educate your audience. So uh, this one too, as you can see, this is an example that I show you before. So just make sure the language is clear and conscious, suitable for both your target audience and the AI influencer. So there is two ways you can get started with. So the first one, start as an affiliate, and the second one, using video guides until you get your YouTube channel monetized. So there is a various way you can get money using this AI influencer. And this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again on the next video.